Imagine your body as a complex network of highways. Now, what role do you think nerves play in this intricate system? Nerves are the silent powerhouses, the ultimate messengers that carry vital information from your brain to every corner of your body. They command your muscles to move, relay the sensations of touch and pain, and ensure your organs function seamlessly. But what happens when these crucial pathways are damaged? Signal transmission is disrupted, leading to a range of issues from mild tingling sensations to severe mobility restrictions. This emphasizes the importance of nerve health, not just for movement, but for maintaining the balance and harmony of your entire body system. From the foods we eat to the lifestyle choices we make, every decision impacts the well-being of our nervous system. Protecting and nourishing our nerves is not merely about staving off discomfort. It's an investment in our capacity to experience life fully, without restraint or pain. Maintaining nerve health is not just about avoiding pain. It's about enhancing your life's quality at every level. Dive into the ocean's bounty and the field's gifts for nerve health. Let's explore how two power-packed foods, salmon and flax seeds, contribute to the well-being of your nervous system. Starting with salmon, a fish celebrated not just for its flavor, but also for its remarkable health benefits. Salmon is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential nutrients are famed for their anti-inflammatory properties, which are crucial in protecting nerve cells from damage and dysfunction. On the other hand, flax seeds might seem unassuming, but they're giants in the nutritional world. Like salmon, flax seeds are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, but their benefits don't stop there. These tiny seeds are also excellent at building and repairing cell membranes, which is vital for healthy nerve function. This makes flax seeds an essential player in maintaining the integrity of nerve cells. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet could be a game-changer for your nerve health. Omega-3s are not just good for your heart, they are guardians of your nerves. Now let's talk about the robust defenders, vitamin B12-rich foods. Vitamin B12 isn't just another nutrient. It's a crucial ally in maintaining the health of your nerves. This essential vitamin plays a pivotal role in the production of myelin, the protective sheath that surrounds nerve fibers. This myelin sheath is vital as it helps to accelerate the transmission of electrical impulses across nerve cells, ensuring your nervous system operates smoothly. Among the champions of vitamin B12, beef stands out. It's not only rich in this nutrient, but also provides a high-quality protein that supports nerve repair. On the other hand, eggs are like nature's multivitamin. They not only contain vitamin B12, but are also packed with choline, which further aids in building and maintaining the myelin sheath. So, how does one leverage these benefits? Integrating beef and eggs into your diet can provide your body with these essential nutrients which support nerve health. Whether it's starting your day with an omelet or enjoying a lean beef salad for lunch, these foods are versatile and beneficial. Incorporating these foods could be a game-changer for your nervous system. Green might just be the color of nerve health. Spinach and avocados, vibrant and lush, are not just pleasing to the eye but are powerhouses for maintaining nerve integrity. Let's delve into how these greens can be your allies against nerve damage. Spinach, the leafy green beloved by many, is rich in antioxidants that play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress, a condition that can lead to nerve damage over time. These antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, help neutralize harmful free radicals, ensuring your nerve cells stay robust and functional. Moving on to avocados, these creamy fruits are more than just a staple for guacamole. They are brimming with essential nutrients like potassium and B vitamins, which are vital for nerve health and function. The high levels of vitamin E in avocados also protect the nerves from damage by strengthening the cell's defensive barriers against oxidative stress. Incorporating these green wonders into your diet isn't just a treat for your taste buds, but a shield for your nerves. It's not just about eating greens, it's about shielding your nerves. Electrolytes aren't just for athletes, your nerves crave them too. Potassium, a vital mineral, plays a crucial role in transmitting nerve signals and maintaining overall cellular function. It's essential for nerve health, helping to ensure that your nervous system operates smoothly. Let's delve into the world of bananas and sweet potatoes, two potassium-rich superheroes in your kitchen. Bananas are not only delicious but are also packed with this essential nutrient, making them an excellent snack for supporting nerve health. They help in maintaining a proper balance of electrolytes and are easily incorporated into your diet, whether in a smoothie sliced over cereal or simply on their own. Sweet potatoes, with their rich orange hue, are not just for Thanksgiving. They are a powerhouse of nutrients, including a significant amount of potassium. This makes them fantastic for nerve function. Roasted, mashed, or baked, sweet potatoes are versatile and can be a delightful part of your meals. Boost your nerve function with these nutrient-dense powerhouses. Looking for building blocks for nerve repair? Let's focus on two surprising heroes. Enter tofu and pumpkin seeds, unsung champions in the realm of nerve health. Both of these foods are stellar sources of magnesium, a mineral that's essential for proper nerve function. Magnesium aids in the regulation of neurotransmitters, which send signals throughout your body and help your nerves function smoothly. Tofu, often celebrated as a versatile protein source, brings much more to the table. It's not only rich in magnesium but also packs a hefty protein punch, which is crucial for repairing bodily tissues, including nerves. On the other hand, pumpkin seeds are not just for Halloween. They're a year-round powerhouse. In addition to magnesium, these tiny seeds are loaded with antioxidants that help protect your body's cells, including nerve cells, from damage caused by free radicals. Together, tofu and pumpkin seeds create a robust duo for supporting nerve health. Incorporating these into your diet can contribute significantly to the health and repair of your nervous system. Repair and fortify your nerves with every bite. Who knew that the secret to robust nerve health could be hiding in your meals? As we've explored today, the path to healthier nerves might just be through your stomach. From the omega-rich salmon and flax seeds, vital for rebuilding damaged nerve cells, to beef and eggs, packed with vitamin B12, essential for nerve repair and maintenance. We've seen how spinach and avocados contribute valuable antioxidants and potassium, supporting nerve function and cellular health. Then there's the humble banana and sweet potato, brimming with vitamins that soothe and repair nerves. And let's not forget tofu and pumpkin seeds, which bring magnesium into the mix, a mineral that aids in nerve regeneration and relaxation. Each of these 14 foods holds unique benefits that, when combined, can significantly bolster your nervous system's health. Consider making them staples in your diet to harness their full potential. Empower your nervous system. Enhance your life. Start with your next meal.